Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Many PlayStation 5 owners face frustrating internet connection problems. It stops you from playing online, downloading updates, or even accessing streaming services. Don't worry, there's a straightforward approach to troubleshoot this. We'll walk through the most effective method, ensuring your console is online and ready for action. Get ready to fix those connection woes quickly and reliably. First, let's start with the basics, which often resolve many issues. Unplug your internet router and modem from the power for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Wait until all the indicator lights are stable. Next, fully power off your PlayStation 5. Don't just put it into rest mode. This simple reset can clear temporary network errors and establish a fresh connection. If wireless isn't working, the most robust and often only reliable solution is a wired connection. Grab an Ethernet cable and plug it directly from your router into the back of your PlayStation 5. This creates a stable, consistent link. It eliminates common Wi-Fi problems like interference, weak signals, or overcrowded networks, giving you the fastest, most dependable connection possible. This is truly the game changer. Once your cable is connected, navigate to the PlayStation 5 settings. Select Network, then Settings, and choose Set up Internet Connection. If you're using the Ethernet cable, select Use a LAN cable and choose Easy. The console should detect the connection automatically. If you're still on Wi-Fi, ensure your password is correct and try re-entering it. Sometimes, a simple refresh of these settings does the trick. A crucial step is ensuring your PlayStation 5 system software is completely updated. Outdated firmware can cause various connection issues. Go to Settings, then System and System Software. Also, quickly check if your router has any available firmware updates, as this can improve overall network stability. If you've tried everything, a database rebuild from safe mode or, as a last resort, a factory reset might be necessary. This will get you connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.